Welcome back to Video Service Information, where we break down real-world mechanical failures so you know what's actually going on under the hood. Today's vehicle is a 2022 Jeep Grand Wagoneer with the check engine light on, flashing, and a message on the dash that says Service Fuel System. Let's get into what really happened. When the check engine light starts flashing, that means severe misfire, and it can damage the catalytic converters, so this is one you don't ignore. First step, scan the vehicle. We pulled a long list of trouble codes: PO300, random misfire, PO302, PO303, PO304, PO305, PO306, misfires on multiple cylinders, P2177, System 2 lean off idle, Bank 1 P2179, System 2 lean off idle, Bank 2 P2187, System 2 lean at idle, Bank 1 P2189, System 2 lean at idle, Bank 2. Anytime you see both banks running lean and misfires across multiple cylinders, you know this is bigger than one bad sensor. So we pulled a fuel sample, and boom, water in the fuel. Water contamination will kill oxygen sensors, cause lean conditions, trigger misfire codes, make the engine stumble under load. To properly fix this, the fuel system needs to be flushed. The tank has to come out, the water has to be removed, and the system has to be cleaned before more damage is done. So now we know there's a fueling issue. Misfires across the board. Lean codes on both banks, this smells like contaminated fuel.